Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. As you can see, the hair that I have in my head is not the hair that I have on the cover photo for YouTube, but I am about to take this hair out, leave my braids in, and try to crochet in some new locks. Now, this is my very first time purchasing locks from Amazon. I purchased this from an Amazon seller and the name is Saimisu. And the name of the locks are New Faux Locs Crochet Hair, which is very vague, but here's what the little thing looks like that it came with. I really hope that the girls that are on here actually authorize the use of these photos, but whatever. It comes with a little pamphlet. It tells you how to do the locks inside, which is fine, except I already know how. And here's what the packs look like. I got 7 of these packs. And I was excited to have 7, and then I realized these are very thin locks. I'm going to show you what they look like out of the pack. So I took some off of this little band already, but each pack comes with 21 of these. So here's what one lock looks like. She's pretty thin. She's very stretchy and bouncy. She's supposed to be 18 inches, and it comes down halfway down my chest, so I'm pretty sure that it is 18 inches, which is great because at first I wasn't really sure, but they're very thin and I don't know if I'm going to have a problem pulling the hair through. It's thin, but the little hole here is almost non-existent. I could probably pull it through with a crochet hook, and because they're not like the butterfly locks, I think I'm going to be okay. I think that this is going to pull through. So I'm getting ready to cut this hair out. It's not bad, but I desperately want to put these in. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll come back with a full head and talk to you about the process. All right, guys, it's the next day. I finished these last night and I just went to bed. But in a very surprising turn of events, I have 2 full packs of hair left over. Again, there's 21 pieces per pack and I used 5 packs. Now, I did skip a lot of spaces, but then when I finished up pack 4 and I went to pack 5, I realized like now I can just fill in spots in my hair. Now I do have about a finger width separating each piece in the back, so I am going to open up pack number 6 and just fill in the back some. But these are the most realistic looking locks I've ever had. They kind of crinkle, they don't like lay super straight, and they're very lightweight, and that is so important. The hair is very soft, it's very squishy. This is how much I have in there. I pulled it all to the front. If I push it to the back, that's what it looks like. I do want to show you one thing about this hair that I thought was going to be challenging, but I figured out a way around it. The loops of this hair, there is very small because the hair is very small. So I'm going to show you how I got the loops open, and it actually made it super simple. You can use your fingernail or whatever you want, but I just took the tip of my tweezers, I put it in the hole like that, and then I turned it in the opposite direction of the lock 2 times, and then I was able to stick my finger in there and open up the loop. And then once you put it in your hair, it'll go back, it'll coil back. So that's what I did. It took me about an hour to install. It was very easy. I got all the way to my edges for the most part, and I really like this hair, so I'm going to leave it in the description box. My goal is to be able to take these out without having to cut them because they'll be great to use over and over. This is the 18-inch hair, and probably the best locks I've ever had. I would love if they were a little thicker, but I can't really complain. It looks really natural, and because they're so lightweight and they're thin, when I put my hair in a bun, it's not gonna hurt my arms. My arms are not gonna be over my head forever trying to get this hair to stay in a bun. So let me know if you have any questions about it. I'm gonna leave y'all with a few pictures because you know I gotta give y'all a look. And until next time, y'all have a great day.